5 ways to find a roof leak on a flat roof. Coming up next.
Number 1. Visual inspection. Begin by visually inspecting the entire flat roof for any signs of damage or wear and tear. Look for cracks, gaps, punctures, or missing flashing. Pay attention to areas where different materials meet, such as around vents, skylights, or HVAC units, as these are common leak-prone spots. Number 2. Water testing. If you cannot visually identify the source of the leak, perform a water test. Start by dividing the roof into sections and systematically wetting each section, while someone inspects the interior for any signs of water intrusion. Begin with the area with most likely to be the source of the leak based on the visual inspection. Number 3. Infrared scanning. Infrared or thermal scanning can be an effective method for detecting moisture and identifying potential leaks on a flat roof. It utilizes thermal imaging cameras to detect temperature differences that may indicate areas of trapped moisture. Number 4. Roof core sampling. If the leak is persistent and elusive, roof core sampling can be done. This involves taking samples of the roof layers to identify any areas of moisture or deterioration. Core samples are analyzed to pinpoint the source of the leak and determine the necessary repairs. Number 5. Consult a roof professional. If you exhausted your own efforts and are unable to locate the roof leak, it's advisable to consult a roofing professional. They have specialized equipment and knowledge to identify and repair leaks efficiently. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.